Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the device theme on your iPhone 16e. So the first thing we're going to do is turn on our iPhone so it's in the lock screen, and then hold on the lock screen until the enter passcode or enter Face ID pops up, and just enter your passcode of Face ID. And now something like this should pop up, so you have all of these options to change the themes of your phone, or you can create a new one by scrolling all the way to the right and clicking on Add New. And here you have all of the themes and wallpapers that you have on your phone. So for example, some astronomy stuff, some kaleidoscope, emojis, all of that. So you can select a wallpaper, and some may need to use permissions like geological permissions and stuff, and then you can change it however you want. And once you're satisfied, you can click on Add on the top and either set as wallpaper pair or just change up the home screen too. Once you're done, click on Done, and now it's saved on your phone and you can select it, and as you can see, your new theme has been applied. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.